3, 2, 1.
We are at the 3D Printed Gutter Card Derby, and it's our 3rd annual. We hold the 3D Gutter Card Derby to offer a chance for students to get together and show off their skills with 3D printing in a competitive atmosphere with cars that they race down gutters. They race for distance, speed, judges' choice. They also do design, classic car element, and since it's on St. Patrick's Day, we have a St. Patrick's Day Spirit Award.
3D printing is something we try to do in the classroom as a science unit, and there's always so much excitement and motivation toward that activity that this is just a perfect transition to lead into a competition where they get to use the skills that they learned already in the year and then apply it to something even outside of our classroom. They are learning a ton of real life skills that actually apply across the curriculum because they're doing a ton of math, they're doing lots of conversions from millimeters to centimeters and even to inches, so there's lots of math and also just the science. This is cutting edge science, this is the future, and the fact that a 5th grader gets to do something with a 3D printer in the classroom is just a really exciting thing, and it's exciting for me to see them, and it's exciting for them to do it as well.
Well, I think it helps learn like how to get correct aerodynamics and figure out like trial and error, kind of how to test stuff, like do prototypes, use 3D design software, that kind of stuff.
You can do a lot from 3D printers, you know. They will probably become the thing of the future. If you look all over social media and the news and such, you will find that they are now 3D printing, you know, limbs and arms and parts for cars, everything. It's really the thing of the future. So if you get involved, you are doing the right thing.